Hello everyone, wondering if you can use a Verizon SIM card in a prepaid phone? In this video, we will answer whether you can switch between Verizon prepaid and contract plans. Let's find out. Can you put Verizon SIM card in a prepaid phone? You can use a Verizon SIM card in a prepaid phone as long as the phone is compatible with Verizon's network. Yes, you can use a Verizon prepaid phone on a contract plan provided the phone is compatible with Verizon's network. You will need to activate the device with a new or existing Verizon plan. Check devices compatibility. If you are bringing your own device, ensure that the prepaid phone is unlocked and supports the necessary Verizon brands for LTE and CDMA. Most major smartphones brands like Apple, Samsung, and Google are compatible. Go Verizon compatible check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter your device's IMEI number. Click continue button to check the status. If phone is not compatible, with Verizon Network, you cannot install the Verizon SIM on your phone. You need to contact current customer service provider to unlock your phone. To find IMEI number, to find the IMEI number on iOS and Android, for iOS, open the Settings app, tap General, then select About, scroll down to find the IMEI number. Alternatively, open the phone app and dial star hash 06 hash. The IMEI will appear on the screen. For Android, open the Settings app, tap About Phone, then select Status or Phone Identity. Look for the IMEI number listed there. You can also open the phone app and dial star hash 06 hash and the IMEI will be displayed. Check Carrier Unlock. For iOS devices, open Settings, go to General, then select About. Scroll down to find the Carrier Lock section. If it says No SIM restrictions, your device is unlocked, while SIM locked indicates it is carrier locked. For Android, open the Settings app on your phone, tap on Network and Internet or Connections, then select Mobile Networks. Look for the option labeled Automatically, select Network and toggle it off. If you see multiple carriers other than your current carrier, your phone is likely unlocked. If not, your phone is locked. You need to contact current carrier to unlock your device. Insert the SIM card, power off the prepaid phone, remove the back cover if necessary, and insert the Verizon SIM card into the SIM slot with the gold chip facing down. Turn on the phone after inserting the SIM card. Activate the SIM card. Visit the Verizon activation website and log into your account. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Go to the Account tab and select the devices you want to. Tap on Activate or Switch Device. Select Activate an existing line and choose the line you want to transfer. When asked if the device was previously used, select No. Enter device's IMEI number. Verify your account by selecting a phone number for a verification text and entering the code received. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation. Complete activation. Follow any additional instructions provided during activation, which may include verifying your account or entering devices details. Once activated, test your phone by making a call or using mobile data to ensure everything is working correctly. Alternatively, you can also call Verizon customer service at 877-807-4646 and follow the prompts to activate your SIM card. Limitations: device locking. Prepaid phones may be locked to the prepaid service until you pay for at least 1 month of prepaid service to activate them. This means that even if you insert a Verizon SIM card, the phone may not function until activated. Service limitations: while you can use a Verizon SIM in a prepaid phone, the phone must be compatible with Verizon network. If the device not compatible or has restrictions, it may not work properly. Plan restrictions: some features available on postpaid plans may not be available on prepaid plans. For example, certain data speeds or international calling options might differ.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.